Menorrhagia is a condition characterized by abnormally heavy or prolonged menstrual bleeding. Understanding menorrhagia. A comprehensive guide. Menorrhagia, a common yet often overlooked condition, affects many individuals, impacting their daily lives and overall well being. In this video, we delve into the intricacies of menorrhagia, exploring its causes, symptoms, diagnosis, treatment options, and self care practices. Now, the most important question which arises in our mind is, what is menorrhagia? Menorrhagia refers to excessive menstrual bleeding that goes beyond the usual parameters of a normal period. Women experiencing menorrhagia often face challenges due to the heavy flow and prolonged duration of their menstrual cycles. Now let's see the causes of menorrhagia. Several factors can contribute to the development of menorrhagia, including hormonal imbalances, uterine fibroids, polyps, blood clotting disorders, and underlying health conditions. Understanding the root cause is crucial in determining the most effective treatment approach. Symptoms and diagnosis. Individuals with menorrhagia may experience symptoms such as fatigue, shortness of breath, and the need to change sanitary products frequently. Diagnosis typically involves a detailed medical history, physical examination, blood tests, ultrasound, and sometimes a biopsy to rule out underlying conditions. Treatment options. Treatment for menorrhagia varies depending on the underlying cause and severity of symptoms. Options range from medications like hormonal therapy and tranexamic acid to procedures such as endometrial ablation or, in severe cases, hysterectomy. Lifestyle changes, including dietary adjustments and stress management techniques, can also play a significant role in managing symptoms. Self-care and preventions to be taken. In addition to medical interventions, self-care practices like maintaining a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress reduction techniques can help individuals manage menorrhagia symptoms effectively. Prevention strategies focus on promoting overall well-being and addressing potential risk factors. Conclusion of the video. Menorrhagia is a condition that can significantly impact an individual's quality of life. By understanding the causes, symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment options available, individuals can take proactive steps towards managing this condition effectively. Seeking medical advice and adopting healthy lifestyle habits are key in navigating the challenges posed by menorrhagia.